am an investor as well as trader, and it's been more than a decade that I have been making my living out of this product that is called the derivatives. So derivative, there are two things why I'm inclined towards this derivative thing. One, of course, that is required while working as a, working in the financial services industry. Second, derivatives for any one of us can also help us. This is kind of a life skill for us where we can make a living out of it. So there are two reasons of starting having this course. One is, of course, that you will get you will get to know something that is very interesting, and all the mutual funds, wherever you go, so you'll be requiring derivatives to handle some portfolios, whether be it you want to become a hedger, you want to become a trader, you want to become a portfolio manager. So in all the cases, you will be requiring some knowledge of derivatives. Either you are working with some company or you are working for yourself. Second, derivatives is also used as a life skill. Why? Because you can actually make money out of derivatives. As Warren Buffett says, that derivatives are the weapons of mass destruction, full stop. But I personally believe derivatives are the weapons of mass destruction if not used properly. If used properly, you can make a living out of it, you can make a life out of it, and maybe you can make a fortune out of it. So that depends how you use the products. So here in derivatives market, we are not interested. I'll be very blunt with you. We are not interested in talking about the theoretical things. Of course, there is certain theory that we discuss about to understand the concept better, to understand the subject better. But more or less, we'll be talking about the practical aspect of derivatives. So what we're going to cover in this derivative module is from very basic things. That is again the basics of derivatives market. Financial markets and the derivatives and how the index works and all these things that, for someone who is starting from very basic things. And then we'll quickly jump on to the derivatives where we talk about all the derivative products that are available in India for trading, and some of the derivatives which are not even available in India as of now. Say, for example, structured derivatives. They were at the center of 2008. The misuse of structured derivatives was at the center of 2008 financial crisis. So how can we make derivatives work for us? And there we talk about as a hedger, we talk about as a speculator, we talk about as a trader, all the kind of angles we cover in derivatives market. And more specifically, we prefer to talk about two products which are of utmost importance to a financial market participant in our country. One is futures and other is options. So we, in very much greater detail, we talk about how the margins are calculated, how the future is valued. And when you know how the valuation of something is done, then it is easy for you to find out the arbitrage opportunities also. That is the reason I said that you can make a living out of it. So you can attend this derivative session. After attending this derivative session, you can work as a hedger, you can work as a speculator, and you can also work as an arbitrager. And also you can work making a living for yourself. Then in this entire module, we not just cover about the equity derivatives, we also give you a brief idea, brief discussion about commodity and currency derivatives also. So not the concept of currencies, but how you can use currency derivatives for trading and for investment purposes. Then we talk about how you can use certain concepts like open interest to make money for yourself. The open interest is generally discussed in greater detail for futures as well as options market. In options, we start from very basic, like what are options, and then we take it through to the higher level where we talk about the option Greeks and how you can practically implement them using strategies. So strategies are used for, or strategies are discussed for volatile movements, for sideways movements. And this is one thing, I'll be very frank with you, this is one thing I use for making my living. So derivative strategies is I work for in currency, commodity and equity markets, and all the practical things that I have used for quite some time now, for almost a decade now. So I'll be discussing all those things where you can use it for your practical purposes. Also, in the end, we talk about the open interest, how without learning technicals, without learning fundamentals, how you can make some money from the market using just open interest. You can use it for yourself, you can use it for your clients also. And then there are certain products that we discuss here which are not even available in India, like the structured derivatives and the exotic options. So these products we are expecting anytime soon in the market in the coming years, and we can be the first hand learners. We will be the first movers in the industry where we'll be knowing all these products beforehand. So I repeat, we talk about equity, commodity, currency, introduction to derivatives of all these categories, how these derivatives work, how these derivatives are valued, how you can use them for hedging and speculative purposes, how you can make money using arbitrage, and in more specific detail, in more detail, we talk about futures and options, where we talk about the valuation of futures, and we talk about the practical application of options using option Greeks and option strategies. And the third concept is the open interest that we discuss in greater detail. And the last thing that we discuss here is the structured products that we cannot study practically because they are not available in India as of now. So theoretical portion of this is a brief introduction of this is covered here, but more I would like to focus on the practical aspect in this module, which is learning strategies of the options and how to make money using futures and options in the market. This is something that we plan to cover in this entire module. Yes, over to you for questions. Aditya, there are a few questions. Sanjay, let me answer this question. Sanjay asked, how is this course okay for an absolute beginner? Sanjay, if you're talking about CDT, that is derivatives trading, absolutely. I would suggest you for anyone who does not know anything about derivatives, this would cover absolute. I mean, we will start with absolute basics and take it to a higher level once your intellect is built in the course, in the subject. So you do not need to have any prior knowledge about the financial markets when you come for derivatives trading. That is the reason we have kept the first couple of sessions only for, I mean, for those who do not know anything about, not even the stock market jargons, not even the financial market jargons. So we'll be covering that thing also. Okay, Sanjay?
Apurv has asked, can you please start similar tutorial for CCRA? So Apurv, we're already done with one series. The second series is starting on August 16 for CCRA. It will run similarly across 12 sessions. Yeah. Any more questions, guys, on CDT?
Yes, DSK. Delta option Greeks play a very important role, and we'll be studying delta and theta in greater detail, and some portion of gamma and vega will also be covered.
Okay, Niranjan is talking about AIM certification earlier. So the starting, yeah, Niranjan. So AIM, the classes were done in May and June. Then now, so AIM is it's more of a, I would say, a sector-specific program on alternative investments, and it is not like any other credit or investment research kind of program where we teach a certain approach, in a structured way. AIM is all more about the various asset classes which are there under alternative investments, and it is designed for wealth advisors. So we keep doing these different sessions to bring you different flavor. So if you are already enrolled, for example, last Saturday we did a session on art as wealth creation tool. This Saturday we have a session on buyout funds. We've already had sessions on hedge funds, private equity funds. There are a few sessions coming up now on other asset classes. So AIM is designed like this. It is designed for wealth advisors to cover or hone their skills and understanding about different asset classes within alternative investment. And that's why you see the classes are differently formatted than they are for other courses. CIRA is also for absolute beginners. Yeah, absolutely. Will Gur Hasmat, oh, that's a very interesting name. Will the study material be shared? Is what Gur Hasmat is asking. So, Himanshu, will you be sharing some templates or Excels or some study notes with the derivative programs, or is not required at all?
See, as a trainer, I can tell you, I have around 100 GB of stuff in my laptop. Anything that you feel is required by you, I'm open sharing anything with you. Just in case you, you present a request to me. If I have it, I'll definitely share it with you, or something that you feel that is required for the subject, or I feel that is required for the subject. Do not worry about the study material. You'll have ample things to understand the concepts. So if need be, yes, I'll be sharing, and there will be a couple of PPTs, definitely I'll be sharing, and a couple of books I'll be sharing for CDT, along with the mock questions.
So Vijay is asking, is there any practical session in live market?
I need to check if we have this session on weekdays or weekends.
No, we have it on weekdays.
Yeah, then definitely we'll have a practical session. Vijay, yes, we'll be having many practical sessions as long as you are comfortable. Until the time you are comfortable with the derivatives, trading derivatives practically, I can take practical sessions. Don't worry about it.
So is the uploaded study material in printable format? Yes. When the next batch starts for financial modeling very soon, I believe August end is when we can target that. Can you please tell me something about CIIB? Can we take this question of, I mean, of this platform, because I believe others may not be interested in knowing. So CIIB is already, the course classes are running. They happen on Thursday, and similarly, tutorials are structured in a way that even beginners can understand the investment banking better. Any other questions on the derivatives programs?
RSP, when you say that weekdays, but in the evenings there are currency and commodity markets working. Commodity markets are open until 11:30 p.m. So don't worry about it. If the session is before 5 o'clock, then I prefer discussing about the currency market. After 5 o'clock, it is commodity markets. Okay, RSP?
Himanshu, can you suggest some books on derivatives advanced level?
Right now or during the module itself?
Let's keep it for during the module.
we can discuss that in the module.
Okay, guys. So, let me just also tell you that we created a early bird gateway for this program because it's the first batch. The fee, of course, the registration fee is waived off, as I said, in the Skill Up Scholarship campaign. But even in the exam fee, you can basically register at 50% of the exam fee before Monday, and write to us if you've not received the code. Write to us. The team will send it to you. I believe this will be a very, very interesting program and very technical hardcore program, right, Himanshu?
I believe so. Yeah. I mean, because in both the modules we are talking about the practical approach of dealing the asset classes.
Yeah.
So I think that should be good for everyone for gaining the practical knowledge.
Great. So if you have any questions, please ask quickly. Otherwise, we can wind up the session.
Vijay, you can start with Hull.
All right. I believe, Himanshu, there's no more questions. So we can call it a day. Thank you, everyone, for joining in. The registration process is mentioned here. You can simply, write to us or call us on our numbers and mail ID certifications@airwindia.com. We'll be happy to help you. And we look forward to seeing you all of you in the sessions. So thank you. Have a good day and a great weekend.
Aditya, there is one more